Hi everyone, this is Vivek Dwivedi, 4th year integrated MSc in chemistry at NISA. So as all of you know, the exam pattern has totally changed. There is no general section. The marks of single correct answers have been reduced to 2.5 marks instead of 3 marks. It is going to affect the scoring, and it is much more difficult now to score in the NEST 2021 exam than it used to be earlier. As a result, the cutoff is obviously going to change. Now as it is difficult to score in the exam, obviously the cutoff is expected to go lower. In this video I am going to tell you what are the expected cutoff marks for various category in NEST 2021. But before that, a small disclaimer that note, I am not an astrologer, and I don't believe in astrology, and all things I am telling here are from my experience. Cutoff marks which I will be telling here may be different from the actual cutoff marks, but all I can tell now is from my experience what is expected. I will be telling you a range within which the cutoff marks most probably will fall. So for general category, I think the cutoff marks for NEST 2021 will be in the range of 70 to 80 marks. For OBC category, I think it will be from 62 to 70 marks. For SC, it might be between 50 and 55 marks. For ST, it might be between 45 and 50 marks. Other categories, I guess it will be around 45 to 50 marks, just like SC. So those were the most expected cutoff marks which I think. Now those are cutoff marks, and cutoff are different from getting seat at the college, right? So obviously to get seat you need to be among the top percentile. I want all of you to read the NEST brochure where it is given in terms of percentile. So in terms of percentile, the NEST brochure has already told you what are the expected percentile which they are going to take from various category. For example, for general category, minimum admissible percentile, that is overall cutoff marks for the exam, will be 95 percentile. For OBC candidates, 90 percentile. For ST, SC and Divyangjan, it is 75 percentile. So I hope you are not confused between percentage and percentile. Percentile is different from percentage. Percentile basically means that, for example, if your percentile is 95 percentile, that means your rank is better than 95% of the people who gave the exam. So you are in top 5%. That is basically meaning of percentile. So I hope all these things were clear to you. I hope this video was useful. If yes, then please do like, share and subscribe this video so that other people also get to know about this. It is a very important thing that everyone should know. And with that, all the best for your exam. See you at NISA or CBS. Bye bye. You will rock the exam. Trust yourself. Don't be panicked, okay? So all the best. Bye bye.